Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the video tutorial number 7 on the Sieveking piano exercises for technique. And I'm going to do the first of the wrist exercises today, and I'll just demonstrate. I'll show you with the right hand and then the left, and then I'll try putting the iPad on the stand and change the camera direction so that you can see it hands together. So middle C, thumb, and you skip the D, and you use all the other fingers, and it's so C, E, F, G, A. And then when it comes down, it just skips the B. So and in the left, it's the same thing, only an octave, 2 octaves down, like the octave below middle C. So you're over these notes. And so on, right up and then back down. And coming down, it's these fingers. So the exercise, I'll do it hands separately first. The right hand, and it's a wrist exercise, so you've got to lift the hand way back, and then when you release on the way up of the weight, of the whole dead weight. This is a dead weight technique, and so you have to have the use of the weight of your body. It's just got to be heavy and relaxed. All those trillions of body cells free to move, and then gravity plays on them and pulls it down. So it decelerates as you're coming up. But the wrist is an excess. The exercise is exercising the wrist, so it's got to come back up and back down. So, and you need to hear that the weight produces the tone in the flopping to the floor. Sudden release. So release on the way up, decelerates, stops, accelerates suddenly right down to the floor, and you just hang on to it. Balance that heavy weight, dead weight in the key. It's like a wrecking ball and a chain. The arm is the chain and your whole body, and you've got to have, and your whole body is like a planet heading towards Earth to crash. So now when you come down, you got to skip that B. So and the fingers are anchoring the weight right in the keys, and then you can pick up the tempo some. Becomes quite bouncy when you're going at it, and you can't be afraid of the keys. You got to get right into them with your weight. So the left hand on the C, below middle C, and lift your hand way back. And independent, strong fingers. So, and all the way up and all the way down, the same notes as in the right. And I'll try putting this on the stand and turning the video camera in the other direction, so we'll see how that works.